Discover the beauty and significance of Sri Lanka's national flower, the blue water lily, Nymphea nuchili, locally known as nilmanal. Cherry blossom. This exquisite aquatic flower symbolizes purity, tranquility, and Sri Lanka's natural heritage. Interesting facts: the blue water lily is different from the lotus, often mistakenly identified as the national flower. It is considered a symbol of unity and serenity, reflecting Sri Lanka's heritage and culture. But the blue water lily embodies the natural and cultural spirit of Sri Lanka, making it an iconic representation of the island's identity. Step into the enchanting conservatory house at the Peradeniya Botanical Garden in Sri Lanka. This hidden gem is a haven for exotic plants and vibrant blooms, showcasing a stunning collection of tropical flowers, including delicate orchids, colorful anthuriums.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me.
Oh, you are a huge tree standing tall, with wide roots spreading near the ground.
Hello, I'm a buttress. I help huge trees stand tall, without toppling over, especially in wet lowland areas.
Hope you understand what I'm going to talk about next. In the Royal Botanic Gardens, Peradeniya, the massive buttress roots of certain tropical trees are a fascinating feature that attracts attention. Buttress roots are large, flared extensions at the base of a tree trunk, growing above ground. These structures are commonly found in tropical rainforests, where soil nutrients are often concentrated in the upper layers and the ground is less stable. Key functions of buttress roots: support. They provide stability to tall trees in soft or shallow soils, preventing them from toppling under their own weight or in strong winds, and nutrient absorption. By spreading over a large surface area, they help trees absorb nutrients from the nutrient-rich topsoil. Ecosystem role. Buttress roots create microhabitats for small plants, insects, and animals, contributing to the forest's biodiversity. In Peradeniya, you can observe buttress roots on iconic species such as Dipterocarpus and ficus, fig trees. These roots not only showcase the tree's adaptation to their environment but also add a unique aesthetic to the garden, making them popular spots for photographs and educational discussions. Visitors often marvel at their intricate patterns and towering presence, reflecting the majesty of tropical ecosystems. Welcome to the Cacti and Succulents house here at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Peradeniya. This remarkable space is home to an extraordinary collection of plants that thrive in some of the world's harshest climates. From the arid deserts of Africa and the Americas to Sri Lanka's own semi-arid regions, these fascinating species demonstrate nature's incredible ability to adapt and survive. As you explore this section, you'll encounter a diverse array of shapes, sizes, and textures, from towering cacti to delicate succulents. Each plant tells a unique story of resilience and ingenuity. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply curious about the wonders of nature, this house is sure to inspire and amaze. The Royal Botanic Gardens in Peradeniya feature a dedicated cacti and succulents house within their foliage section. This specialized area showcases a diverse collection of cacti and succulents sourced from Sri Lanka's semi-arid zones and various deserts worldwide. Visitors can explore this collection near the garden's entrance, where the plant and cacti houses are situated opposite each other. The foliage section comprises 3 large shade houses, 2 glass houses, and 2 show houses, one dedicated to indigenous and exotic foliage plants and the other to cacti and succulents. This setup provides an optimal environment for the cultivation and display of these plant species. The gardens are renowned for their extensive plant collections, including over 4,000 species such as orchids, spices, medicinal plants, and palm trees. The Royal Botanic Gardens in Peradeniya feature a dedicated anthurium section, serving as a reservoir for both indigenous and exotic anthurium varieties. Established in the late 1960s and early 1970s, this section has flourished under optimal cultural practices, resulting in year-round blooming. The collection includes varieties imported from Hawaii and Guatemala, introduced through a German government-funded project. Significant upgrades, such as modern irrigation and fertigation systems, have enhanced the cultivation environment. The facility comprises 2 large net houses, one for cut flower anthurium varieties and another for foliage anthuriums. Additionally, intermediate-sized net houses are used for acclimatizing in vitro plants, seedlings, and various growth stages. The section also focuses on breeding new anthurium varieties, which are available for purchase by the public and growers. It serves as a training hub, annually educating numerous anthurium growers and supporting research projects for students from various higher education institutions. The Orchid House at the Royal Botanic Gardens in Peradeniya boasts a remarkable collection of over 300 orchid species, showcasing a diverse array of colors, shapes, and sizes. Among these is the world's largest orchid, Grammatophyllum speciosum, known as the giant orchid or tiger orchid, which can produce flower spikes up to 2.5 meters in length. The collection features both endemic Sri Lankan species and exotic varieties, offering visitors a comprehensive insight into the rich diversity of orchids. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the breathtaking Royal Botanic Gardens of Peradeniya. From its vibrant orchid collection to the towering palms and serene lawns, this garden is truly a masterpiece of nature and history. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply seeking tranquility, Peradeniya has something to inspire everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Anything Inside for more incredible explorations. See you in the next adventure.